Hey friends, it is Friday morning, and you know what that means. This is your official invitation before I go in to get all dolled up for the show, because I wanted to invite you. You don't have to get dolled up. You just show up with your beverage and your lunch, and we're going to have a great show today, and we are kind of carrying the Easter theme all the way through. And y'all, I am spilling the beans today on how I grow such gorgeous zinnias. If you haven't seen them, you just need to go to my profile. I posted 3 reels this morning that are all zinnia. Well, actually, 2 are zinnia based. The third one is on soil blocking. But just to see, you know, zinnias are really easy to grow. But as a flower farmer, you need to grow gorgeous over the top zinnias if you want to get paid for them. And I'm just kind of telling you how I do that. Plus, y'all, look at this. You know what this is? Bunny Tails. Bunny Tails is a type of grass, and I've done an experiment, and I'm going to talk about that Bunny Tails experiment today on the show. Remember that I give away something every week. I'm doing another $25 store credit today, and zinnia seeds in the app only are 20% off. That's the special today. So you want to join me. So how do you do that? You have to be inside my phone app, which is totally free. You just go to your phone's app store, search Gardener's Workshop, or you can simply type app in the comments and I'll DM you the link to get it. Join me inside the app at 12 noon Eastern time. You can enter to be in the giveaway, and we'll pick one lucky live viewer, and it's going to be great fun. It's about an hour-long show, and we're going to be talking. I'll be doing a soil blocking demonstration, sowing zinnias in the soil block, showing you how I do that, and you don't want to miss it. And if you want the 411 on growing bunny tails, today is the day. And look at this cute little set. Susie is our stage person, and she always comes up with super sweet stuff, and I just can't wait for us to see you back here. So 12 noon Eastern time, inside the app. You have to be in the app to enter the contest for the giveaway for the $25 store credit, and to be able to communicate and talk with each other, right? So hope to see you there, 12 noon every Friday Eastern time, right inside the app. And old Susie Q is here.
So if you can't make it 12 noon with us today, you can always re-watch it in the app, and you can take advantage of the sales until Sunday morning at 8 a.m. So be sure to give us a watch if you can't meet us at noon.
Yep, that's right. Replay inside the app is awesome, and can't wait to see you guys. Ciao. Bunnies.